Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. Today, I will be guiding you through a quick and simple process on how to change your email address on Imprint application. So let's dive into the video since the process is quite easy. Tap open Imprint application from your app drawer and make sure that you're signed into your account as well. From the main homepage, tap on the human icon at the top right corner and tap the edit button right next to email. Enter a new email address you are trying to update to in the text box provided on the next page. Once you are done typing in the new email, tap on update email at the bottom. You will now need to enter the new email while logging into your Imprint account, and then you will also need to enter your password. Finally, tap log in and you will be able to update your email. So that's how easily you can change your email address on Imprint. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.